What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of We Read Bills. So don't really have much to do for this episode. I'm just kind of giving you guys a quick rundown on what's going on. The Audi, I'm still waiting on parts, all the parts since December the 27th. So I'm still waiting on them. Audi's still saying they're just waiting on one small piece from Germany. So that's why no more content has been coming out for the S5. The Ford, I'm still waiting on the engine. I got to talk to somebody right now to get the engine for the Ford. So whenever we get that, we'll just start hopping on that. I'm not at home currently at the moment. I'm here in Florida. So once I get back home, so we could get back in motion on these bills. So just please bear with me. I'm gonna keep on dropping some YouTube Shorts videos for the time being until I could get more updates. So the screen is removed. All you had to do was remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The center one is the one that holds up the monitor, and then just unplug it. So now that's done, we're gonna keep going and see if we could pull down some more. But until next time, stay positive, stay motivated.